Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a collaboration agreement with UpCounsel. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start a collaboration agreement with UpCounsel, begin by visiting the UpCounsel website. Create an account if you don't already have one. This will require providing some basic information about yourself or your business. Once logged in, navigate to the Collaborate section of the website. Here, you'll find options for starting a new collaboration agreement. Select the type of collaboration you wish to pursue. This could range from joint ventures to partnerships. After selecting the type, you'll be prompted to fill out specific details about the collaboration. Provide a clear and concise description of the project. Make sure to outline the roles and responsibilities of each party involved. Next, specify the duration of the collaboration agreement. It's important to set clear timelines for deliverables. Then, consider including a section on confidentiality if sensitive information will be shared. This protects both parties and ensures trust. Once all the necessary details are included, review the agreement carefully. Check for clarity and completeness. If everything looks good, move on to the signature phase. You can choose to sign the document electronically or download it for physical signatures. After signing, send a copy of the agreement to all involved parties. Make sure everyone has a clear understanding of the terms before proceeding. Finally, keep a copy of the signed agreement for your records. Starting a collaboration agreement with UpCounsel is straightforward and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.